still believe this can be a great year for you. Type in the chat, this is going to be a great year for me. Type your name in the chat. Come on. This is going to be a great year for me. Psalm 1 talks about meditating on God's law day and night. It's like you're waking up, you're meditating, you're thinking, you're musing on God's law. Also in the Bible, Psalm 119, it talks about enjoying, having a good time with meditating on God's word. It's like, man, I'm enjoying myself. Yeah, I'm enjoying myself in God's presence and meditating on God's word, on the things of God. Type in the chat for me, meditation. You can look on the screen if you need to know how to spell it, but it's basically M-E-D-I-tation. M-E-D-I. It kind of looks like I'm about to spell mediator. And it kind of looks like I'm about to spell medium. It looks like I'm about to spell medical. So M-E-D-I-T-A-T-I-O-N. So listen, when we meditate on God's word, when we meditate on the things of God, when we meditate on the things of God, you best to believe God is right in the smack in the middle of it. God's word, we should meditate on God's word, but it involves activity. So when you meditate on God's word, you are getting involved. It's like you taking a journey. It's like you taking a journey with your thoughts. What should I go? Where should I go? I want to go here. Woo, now I'm taking a journey. Now I'm in the book of Genesis. In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. I want to take a journey. Where do I want to go next? I want to go here. I'm back to where I started. I want to take one more journey. Type in the chat. Where do you think Mr. Alphaeus is going? Just like I said, meditation is like taking a journey with God's word. All right? But right now I am at the beach. So if you type at the beach in the chat, you got an extra 10 points. Some places in your mind is okay. It's pretty cool. It's pretty breezy. All right?